In this video, I'm going to share a little bit about Asana, which is our project management software. And this is going to be the main hub for your project. It's where we're going to exchange conversations. You can even upload some files if you need to, and this is where you'll provide feedback and also get a glimpse of what tasks are due when and who's going to be working on them. So it's going to keep us really organized and help us move through your project together. You will get an email invitation into your project in Asana, and it's totally free to sign up. So once you join, you'll be taken to your project, and it'll look something like this when you see the list view of all the tasks. And I've broken it down into sections to help us walk through the process of going through your website project. So for instance, the first step for me is to make sure that I get you everything that you need regarding the planning questionnaire and website planning guide. And so you'll see my face over here. That just means that it's assigned to me. And then if you click on each task, it'll take you into these details where sometimes there'll be a description of it, and you can write a comment down here. If for any reason you need to leave a comment for a specific task, you can then just comment on it right there. And if you want to bring files into any task, you can just drag it and then drop it, and it'll automatically upload it right there should you need to do that. Another handy aspect of Asana is this Conversations tab. And this is basically a way to send me an email. But because it's in Asana, it just keeps everything organized so that we have everything all in one place. Because things just get lost in my email. I do get a lot of emails. So having everything in Asana is extremely important just to make sure that I don't miss anything, that you don't miss anything. We keep things moving forward. So if you click on Conversations, and you can just click here. You've got a subject, and then you've got your body. It's basically like sending an email. And then you click on Post when you're done. You can also attach files if you need to, and then it'll keep a running list of all these conversations that we've started. And then in the calendar, this is a template for a project, so you don't see anything here. But if you clicked into there, once we get dates attached to all the tasks within your project, you'll be able to see on the calendar when certain tasks are due. And once I set up your project, you will see your name attached to certain tasks, such as feedback. So when I need feedback on the home page and about page as part of the first step of the design process, you will see your name next to here, and then it'll have a date attached to that. And you'll get a reminder when that's due, and at a glance you can just see here when everything is due. So if I put a date on here, let's say that, it'll say today, and then next to the other ones, if it's a future date, it'll have the date right next to there. So super handy at a glance to see what is due when and who is working on what. And so that is basically how you use Asana. Once you get into it, it's pretty intuitive, it's pretty straightforward, and I've done my best to stay organized and have everything laid out. So really all you need to do is provide me with feedback. And if you have any questions, you can post in the comments or start a conversation. So that is Asana.